everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. And I want to show you this great card I made using the Love What You Do stamp set and the, what is it called, the Graceful Glass Designer Series Paper Vellum, the designer vellum. So what we're going to need is we're going to need the Love What You Do stamp set, the Pool Party and versamark. We're going to be using an 8.5 by 5.5 piece of Pool Party plus a piece of scrap. We are going to be using a piece of the Graceful glass. Now, this had 4 panels on it. I've already colored it, so you don't have to watch me coloring it. But I cut each of the panels out, so you can make 4 cards from this. You're also going to need glue dots, some Stampin Dimensionals, some rhinestones, and then the tag punch. And to color this, you'll need the blenders. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am just going to fold my base cardstock. And then I'm going to take this branch and the versamark, and I'm going to just stamp the branch on the versamark, however you want to do it. I just like it because I like just having a subtle background, something that doesn't really stand out. Now, you could also, if you wanted to, you could probably take part of this and you could run it through an embossing folder. Okay, then I'm going to take this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the glue dots behind some of the flowers. Sometimes they show, but since you've colored it already, it won't show that much. Oops, I forgot to, you got to cut this off just a little bit. That way too. So I'm going to have to put another glue dot on. That's why I use bad scissors when I do this, because I know that I'm going to cut off a glue dot or two. Okay, so I'm just going to center that over here. Oh, I know I'm going to cut off more. There. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same, and I'm going to stamp that in Pool Party on Pool Party. And you know I'll use my stamping spots because all my other ones are packed away for my camping. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to, and you have to line this up carefully, the bottom of the Y gets cut off a little bit. And I'm going to put a couple of Stampin Dimensionals on this. And I'm just going to center that. And I'm going to put some of the medium little embossing, or the rhinestones, on some of these flowers, just to give it a little glitter. And there you have it. So please follow me on YouTube. Just head over there. All the stuff to make this is down below. Please share this video with your friends And if you like it, please purchase your Stampin' Up stuff from me. All the information is down below. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.